Hello folks, this is Woodear channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today I'll show you a way to soak the black Woodear mushroom. Usually bought from Asian grocery store or Asian market. And it's in a bag. It will be like this, dry. It's dry, and and I'll show you how to let it rise up and it looks very fresh, and we can cook it. Okay, first we need to use kind of cold tap water to wash it, to wash the black Woodear mushroom. Don't drain the water and wash it a few times to get the dust or soil or some get dirt on the mushroom. This is the dried mushroom. We will wash again. This mushroom, and before you use, when you use it, you need to soak it and let it rise up earlier before you cook it. And don't soak this mushroom and overnight, because sometimes if it grow some bacteria, if you eat it, actually be bad for your health. So don't do that. Now we add the hot water into it. Add enough, is 2/3 of the water, of the pot of the water. Hot water, not boiling water. Now we soak it. After 30 minutes, we will drain the water and rinse it a few times. We drain the water. Use the cold tap water to rinse it a few times. Wash it. Drain the water. So now the soaked and raised black Woodear mushroom is done, and you can use it to cook some dishes. Yeah. So right now it's already prepared. Just remind you one thing, and this soaked and raised black Woodear mushroom, you need to use it later, but not overnight, because if the overnight, it will grow bacteria and it will cause food poison. So this is just want to remind you, do not soak it overnight. Yeah, right now you can put it in the room temperature, or you can seal it and put it in the fridge, but not overnight before you use.